Hey Ken, I went out in the deep woods and did some Sasquatch searching, and I got this really cool video. I'm gonna send it to you. So Ken, you can clearly see that I have discovered evidence of Sasquatch activity.
It is a pretty well-established fact that Sasquatch will push trees over a trail as a warning to interlopers that they're building a railroad there and they should keep out so they don't get run over by a train. Although Sasquatch has not yet discovered the wheel or steam or knows how to build a train,